Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. CapCut lets you easily reverse your clips on mobile. In this video, I'll show you the steps to reverse a video in CapCut and achieve this effect in just a few steps. Let's go. Reversing a video in CapCut is easy. To do this, download first the application from the store and install it on your device. Once done, open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the video you want to reverse from your photo library, and you can tap Add in the bottom right corner to confirm. This will take you to the editing interface. You'll see here your video on a timeline at the bottom. Click anywhere on the timeline to bring up the editing options. Scroll through the options until you see a button with a circular arrow icon. This is the reverse button. Tap the reverse button and CapCut will automatically reverse your video. It will take just a few seconds to process. You can now preview your reversed video by playing it back. CapCut has a watermark by default. You can remove it before exporting the video, but the free version may have limitations on resolution or include a short advertisement. If you're happy with it, proceed to export the video. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.